it looked like my brother's finished with the field, so he's gonna switch fields and go all the way over there. It seems like the baler's gonna work without the the chains, so I guess we'll be good today. This is the most amount of bales I've seen in this field, like, ever. We picked up 10 bales right here, but altogether there's 36. I'm pretty sure last year we made like 10. These are some big windrows. We only got a little bit left to go on this field, and then we're gonna move over to that field over there. So we finished the field, so now we're gonna go over to that field over there, and then we'll be done for the day. We finished off the field with 66 bales. That is crazy. I'm pretty sure last year we finished off with like 11 bales on this main field. We got this whole field to finish, and then we'll be done for the day. I think I'm gonna time lapse the end rows, and I'll see you guys when I'm finished with the time lapse. There's my mom and my grandfather loading up the hay trailer, and they're gonna haul hay while I'm finishing up this field. If you see that red line on the bale, on the wrap of the bale, that means that I have 5 to 7 more bales until we have to change out the wrap. Net not feeding properly. That means that the wrap is out. So we just stop the baler and we're gonna go outside and change it out. So we gotta go to the back of baler, and first we gotta open the hatch where the wrap is at. See right there. So you see here, it turns out we're actually out of wrap, so I had enough to finish a bale, but I'm gonna have to quit for the day. Well guys, thank you guys for watching. That'll be the end of the video. See you guys later. Bye.